Hello guys, my dissertation is about using augmented reality in different BIM workflows. The enter here. The motivation about augmented reality, considering as a new age technology, and the augmented reality as an improvements for the architecture, engineering, constructions industry. And this research will be aimed to be able answer the main question: why use augmented reality in BIM workflows as an essential tool to improve a project's life cycle? And the main goal about this research is aimed to about the potentials and challenges, and our objectives are opportunity to use BIM and augmented reality in an application in a mobile device through 3 case studies and train the results. According to Azuma, he's one of the most important developers in augmented reality. Augmented reality is a combination between real world and virtual world that can interaction of this combination in real time and can possible to recording the real and the virtual in the 3D, and it's available to use in through medias as 3D modeling, real-time location tracking. In 1968, Ivan Sutherland invented the first head-mounted display, and through this invention, others researchers started with new researches with other technologies as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. You can see here in this VR continuum created by Milgren's taxonomy in 1989. Here you can see other applications for AR in other sectors as education, design, manufacturing, entertainment. For this research, I used Dalux software because collector company, they're responsible for the construction sites using it. And also the potentially from Dalux now is one of the best AR software nowadays in the market. They use it for different kinds of application. Dalux Viewer, Box, FM for facility management, and Field. View is more useful for construction sites because it's an application for mobile devices, and Box, FM, and Field is more for BIM coordinator and BIM manager, sorry. And it's all of informations are available in Dalux Cloud, and you can share online in all time and all of the information and data. BIM workflow, there are 4 different, it's a division in 4 different phases related to the life cycle BIM. Pre-construction as a 3D phase, construction for a 5D phase, handover is a facility management, 6D, and operation and maintenance for a 7D phase. And here some benefits in augmented reality. In the 3D phase is the scale of the 3D model, save costs in construction. For the phase, geolocation of BIM data, construction security, and monitoring of site documentation, and in 7D phase, locate and assist for maintenance. This is the first case, is about a section of access roads for the construction of the second railway. The proposed and process and workflows. Here the workflow is post-construction phase, and I choose this case because it's a large scale infrastructure project and opportunity to use the mobile device with an AR application. It's a big construction site. I use it to 2 points, distance between them, but here I can explain just one, because they are similar with the benefits, challenges, and the results. In this picture, the right side, we can see the point 2 with georeferencing report in Dalux box. The second one and the third one are basically the same pictures, but the letter C is a zoom from the 2D model location in Dalux box. And the last one is a real application in the construction site through Dalux viewer in a tablet. We use a tablet there. Here we can see the integration in a real-time visualization in 2D and 3D model in IFC at the same time through Dalux box. And here, the real experience in augmented reality in this construction site, it's possible to verify the trajectory of tunnel pipes and mapping installations. The challenges and benefits: challenge, difficult finding the correct orientation, determining the location, and the sunlight days reflected of the tablet screen, and difficult to move and rotate the 3D model in AR. The benefits is to understand the future construction site and the maintenance control, and the results are correct georeferencing BIM, challenging open areas because the sunlight, complex to find an ideal position in exactly geographic location physical object. The second case is a bridge. It's a post-construction workflow. It's another large infrastructure construction site. There's a 3D BIM model in database and georeferencing, and not having another accessible database. The biggest challenge is because there's no another information, the discrepancy of information capturing AR images has become in effect. And the results are the BIM model, no geometric data to the 3D geometric information, and the BIM model in AR system applications possible because there was reference points. The third case is a it's a building, it's a commercial building, and the georeference point is located in the first floor, as you can see here in this picture. It's under construction phase in BIM workflow. They are all common data environment, and here we can see in the picture below the possibility to see in the Dalux viewer the location used for the spatial reference, and the second, the letter B, is a position, orientation, and scale the BIM model. On the top in this picture, we can see the possibility to exchange informations, data in real time, and the other one, letter D, it's about information data request from that, I don't know if you can see the orange rectangle. And below, you can check in specific information and accessing construction details, and go on. Challenge: it's impossible to move and rotate the 3D AR model in correct position and static for the GPS. And the benefits: consult information from the CDE in real time, request revisions and evaluate the installation. And the results are difficult in determining the geolocation of objects because there are too many points from other objects there, and exactly position and sizing of the model. And BIM models have complete data and information. I use it SWOT analysis because it's as a strategic support in workflow phases to understand better the positive and negative aspects of using the AR for the 3 cases. And here in this table is I'm compiling the general results from those 3 cases for benefits and challenges of using AR and in BIM. The conclusion to answer the main questions are augmented reality allows designers to place the virtual construction schema in a real physical environment. Through AR, it's possible to obtain a particular function, which is the instant visualization. And augmented reality contributes to fill gaps between planning and execution. And some suggestions for the future development is improving the understanding between the information transfer processes to direct them to each phase of the BIM project, and enhancing software solutions, and a possibility to explore an alternative information flow for generating or updating data and information in a real 3D space, but via mobile devices, not just only in 2D computer screens. And in the end, this research it's already published as a chapter of a book with the same name, using augmented reality in different BIM workflows. And the name of the book is Augmented Reality, published by intechopen.com. And here's this link to access the chapter and download free. Thank you.